welcome back to the channel. Here we are. We are going to move 20,000-ish pounds of equipment to our friends Baker Forge and Tool down in North Carolina. One of them includes this 350-pound power hammer that is what? That Tetsuo is sad to see leave. One of them is a 6,000-pound punch press, another smaller punch press around 1,000, 1,500 pounds, and then a 5,000-pound anvil. So I will bring you along. It'll probably be a lot of time-lapse footage, but that's okay because driving a telehandler is kind of boring, but we're gonna get everything prepped for the tractor trailer. Should be here in a couple hours. And of course, it's raining.
Yeah.
So here we go. Let's get into it. What's wrong with your face?
There's a camera in it.
Were you born that way?
Yeah.
Jeez. You gotta talk to
coffee. You gotta drink more.
you gotta talk to your mother.
You
You gotta drink more Wawa coffee for what?
more Fred Drecknick.
For attractiveness.
Alright, so we got everything staged. So presses sideways, hammer sideways, other presses sideways, hammer anvil sideways. That way when the tractor trailer comes into the lot, he can back right in here to this empty spot and we can load him up right from the side. Nice and easy to pick again. And yeah, should be a good day. So we got 6,000-pound press loaded up, 8,000-pound hammer, the 5,000-pound anvil, and the little press. Okay, so this is the second day. I missed a lot of the filming yesterday because it was pouring down rain, but anyway, the front lot is all cleared. Getting ready for some new machines that are coming in, but I want to show you something back here. We finished the back of the building. For anybody that's ever been here, I've been working on this pavilion for like a year. Boom. We got the rest of the sheet metal. You can see the different color sheet metal up there. This sheet metal, the top of this pavilion had been unfinished because I didn't have a machine tall enough to get up there. But we got it all done last night. Very, very happy about that before winter sets in. And yeah, made a lot of progress. We also got the Chambersburg running. You see the difference in the container and the actual building. I'll show you the Chambersburg. So as soon as we get a adequate air supply and a giant hole dug in the ground, we'll install this thing. That'll probably be another year or so. But we did get it running. It hasn't cycled like this since 1987. I have all the original paperwork on this, and this is the last, 1987 was the last time this thing was in service.